What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the ClearCryptos YouTube channel. My name is Oscar Ramos, your host, and following our conversation from FTX, we have to understand that it's just shaking the whole industry, right? Now, November 22 is going to be remembered as a bloody month just because of what occurred in the last 172 hours. And it's a punch in the gut for all the crypto exchanges that are doing good things, because there's some that are doing what's correct and some that are just not focusing or not building their teams with the right people. Now, what has occurred in the industry for crypto exchanges, CEXs, is now people want more trust. Now people want more evidence, proof that their funds are going to be safe. Obviously, the safest way to keep your funds, where is it? Well, I don't have it, somewhere here. There you go. The safest way for you to keep your Shiba Inu or your Bitcoin, right? There you see it. Where's the safest place? Right here. In a cold wallet, not on an exchange. Everybody knows that, right? Now, the reason why you might want to select an exchange is because they might give you staking privileges, you get interest, you get a communication with the network, you can stay, you can do many different things, trade, whatever. But the safest is always going to be outside the block, right? But personally, I think what I've seen that I like a lot is that Binance CEO and Crypto.com CEO Chris have posted some of their reserves that they have as a proof of evidence of reserves. So let's check it out. Don't forget to smash the like button, everybody. Consider subscribing to the channel and turn on those notification bells for ClearCryptos. Let's go. Binance published cold wallet addresses and balances for 6 out of 600 coins. More to come. So Binance has over 400,000 Bitcoin, almost 5 million Ethereum, and the list goes on. And Chris with Crypto.com has approximately a 3 billion on this proof of reserve cold wallet that they have. Now, the full audit proof of reserves is still underway, which is good, but it comes to show that because of the FTX collapse, is helping the crypto industry in a way to become more transparent and letting users know what they have, and that they're not going to be lending the customers, the users funds, because at any point they know that those funds are not sustainable and that they need some type of liquidity. If users want to withdraw, they won't have that capability, because the company does not have funds to give out. And that's pretty much what happened with FTX. You realize big stuff, everyone. But that's why the difference is that this one's, when as Crypto.com a CEO explains, you can expect Crypto.com to continue working in the spirit of full transparency and remain the steady hand and a safe, secure platform. Like I've just said earlier, trusting crypto exchanges, no matter if it's Crypto.com, Binance, KuCoin, Huobi, Coinbase, they're not perfect. They will make mistakes. And sometimes they're not going to have all the answers ready or all the answers right. They're not perfect, right? But if they keep our funds safe along the way and continue having positive and negative outcomes, as long as they're moving forward for the main goal of adoption, centralization of more people's funds, and letting other people join crypto, that's really a big win. It will take some time, a lot of mistakes, and a lot of regulation, but it takes a while. One of the giveaways is that, well, at least us, the users, were now finding what they hold based on what users have on their exchange or what they personally hold, because of an exchange buying such crypto amounts. All right. So proof of reserves, now we're getting this because of FTX. I like it. Thank you very much for watching, guys. Like and subscribe. Peace.